Okay, you guys, so let's start this project. So these bags, I'm gonna link on my Amazon storefront so you can go ahead and get them as well. Let me check the size. So, what did I say? I'm gonna measure the size for you just in case. They're gonna be goodie bags. My son's Manuel's birthday party is coming up, so I want to make goodie bags. And I thought this year I'm just gonna fill it up with just chocolates. So I found these and I thought they were so cute. And look at how big they are. So that's a great size. So I'm gonna measure it in inches. So it is 5.5, I want to say, by 5.5. So that's a great size. I'm just gonna fill it up with what's it called? They sell it at the dollar store. I'm gonna fill it up with orange shred paper, and then I'll fill it up with chocolate. But I'm gonna make sure I do the orange since the theme is gonna be basketball, or I can do it in white. It really doesn't matter. So these are it. I'm gonna go ahead and make some goodie bags. So I thought it would be great since it's basketball. I did this on my Cricut. So all we're gonna do is cut it. Make sure you don't cut it wrong. So we're gonna cut it as close as we can because I want to reuse every piece to finish the whole project. Okay, so it's gonna go under like so. What do you guys think? They're gonna be so cool, right? So we're gonna go ahead and I'm gonna grab this one. So I'm actually gonna cut right here and save this for a smaller project. I'm gonna try to save as much as I can. So I'm gonna use this square. And I'm gonna use it over and over until it doesn't stick anymore. Now I'm gonna use my scraper. I have the large, extra large, and then the regular. Both are on my Amazon storefront. Whatever you prefer, whatever's easier for you. Let's get started. So I'm gonna see how this is gonna stick. I'm gonna have to go like that. How about that? Like that. So since I'm gonna go like that, I'm gonna cut some of it off because I could reuse this anyways for another project. Like so. And let's see how that goes. Now either this is a hit or a miss, but I think I've done it before with another goodie bag. I think I did it with Baby Yoda. So what do you guys think? Since he is playing basketball this year, I thought it would be great. Okay. It's gonna go like this. Like that. So now while lifting it, I'm going to be careful. I don't want to rip the bag. So let's see how that worked out. See, that's actually working very well. So you want to go slow. And I'm going to put it here. Then I'm going to go with my finger. And I know there's a bump underneath. So you know what? Maybe I should add something in the middle. But how do you think that looks? Wow, that actually came out really cute. And there you go. You have your basketball goodie bag. And that's obviously MJ, Michael Jordan. He loves his Michael Jordans. He calls them my Michael Jordan shoes. But how cool are those? How cool is this? This looks like I ordered it, which I just made myself. And saved me a lot of money. What do you guys think? So let me go ahead and make the rest. Oh no, you know what? I'm actually going to do one of each. And then I'll make the rest of my own. I'm going to do him in the gold. I like this color. I'm going to watch out for that little curve. So I'm going to use the same tape. Make sure I get it in there. Grab another bag. And I'm going to do the same thing. So I really like the gold. It was my idea to do that. Some people say the red is the way to go. It's up to you. Okay. Now I'm going to do the same thing. I'm going to paste them on there. And I'm only pressing hard where the thing is at, where the decal is at. You see that? So that decal stays. Nowhere else. And there you go. How cool is that? I really like the gold. Let me know what you guys think. And since I'm like, oh, I was looking at the colors. I'm like, why not do it in the black? Wow, that stood under nice. So let's grab the black. Just gonna move that. I'm gonna use the same paper. I'm gonna use it until it's not sticky anymore, and then we move on. I'm gonna do the same thing. Make sure you have no air bubbles. Can you guys see that? And let's do it in the black. Perfect. I'm gonna do it in the same spot. I'm only gonna press down where I see him. That's it. And that should work out easy. If it lifts, go ahead and just press it down with your hand. So what do you guys think? Which color do you like the best? The red, the gold, or the black? I'm liking the gold. I prefer the gold. So let me know which one you like. I'm going to go ahead and do the rest, and then we'll come back and do 3 more different ones. Okay, I just finished them, and I think they are so cool and super affordable. All I'm going to put in these are chocolates, and I'm going to do like the little mini like Snickers and stuff and mix a big bag of mixed chocolates. And that's going to be the hit of the party, watch. Okay. I think I only did one in the black just to have it in there. I thought it would be cool, you know, just to have it in there. Let me know what color you like the most. But I am going for the gold. Look at how cool that is. Can you see it? There you go, like that. Look at that. Then you have the black and the red. So let me know what color you like the most. keep going. Now we're gonna go ahead and, you guys don't laugh at me. I made these and they came out like really horrible. And it's the basketball. I think they came out super horrible, but but don't judge me. It was like my first time making them. And look at right here as well. But you know what? You live and you learn. I made it and we're gonna put them on. I think it should be like that. So I did 2 of the basketball, which I'm happy I did. So let's do the basketball. And let's see if this one sticks. If this one does not stick, I'll grab a new one. It sticks just fine. So the basketball, I think I want to put it like this. I know it has, I don't want it to get bumps because of the bottom. Just gonna lift it real quick. Oh my God, it came out really nice. And look at that. Look at that. That's a cool basketball. I try my best, just so you guys know. Don't judge me. I hope he likes it. Oh my God, I'm really proud of myself for this one. How cool is that? So let me do the next one. I only made 2 of them because it was so hard. It was like the hardest one to make. And I think I ruined like one. I threw it out or something like that. I'm not even gonna lie to you. It was really hard to make. Like really hard. This was way easier than the basketball. But I know I had to make a basketball because he was gonna be like, where's the basketball? I'm just lifting it so it won't get the bumps from this and get air bubbles. That's all. And there you go. Another basketball. I like it. I tried. Okay, so the last one that I made was with his name on it. And I did Manny, because I call him Manny a lot. Little Manny, because my husband is Big Manny. So short for Manuel. So I wish I would have made a couple more of these. These are really cool. These are really cool. I'm happy I made them. I think I'm gonna need the whole thing. These I will save for another day. Let me go ahead and put those away. Don't go nowhere. Okay, let's keep going. And right here you can put your kid's name, your daughter's name, whatever name you want to put. You can put birthday, you can put the age, whatever you want to put. It's going to come out super cute. So let's go ahead and see how this one looks. So this one's just going to go under like so. And I'm just going to press where I put the black. You don't gotta press nowhere else. Just where you put the black. And then we're gonna lift it. See, I don't like, that's why I don't press everywhere. Because I don't want it to lift. Or rip the bag. But this is going really smooth. And look how cool that is. His name's on the goodie bag. So let's move this one. That one right there. I made an extra one for his friend. So he's gonna take one to school for his best friend. So I thought that was cool. I like to always make extra for their best friends. So let's be careful. If it lifts, go ahead and press it back down. If it lifts, just go like this and press it back down. It's gonna stay under. So don't get scared if it lifts. We got one more. And let me know what you guys think, how they came out. I think they're cool for a basketball party. Wait until you see the centerpieces. Do it slowly. And then press it in. So only press where you have the black. You don't want to rip the bag. If you do, you didn't buy extras, you're gonna have to give it like that. And there you go. What do you guys think? I think they came out cute. I'm gonna fill them up with chocolates, and then I'll show some pictures of the birthday party on Instagram. So go ahead and make sure you follow me on Instagram. Give me a thumbs up, comment down below, say happy birthday to Manuel. He is going to be the big 8. And until next time, bye you guys.